An inferno broke out at Botodroba market in Assam's Nagaon district on Wednesday night. The devastating blaze wreaked havoc on numerous shops and businesses, resulting in the loss of goods valued at several lakhs of rupees. Swift action by fire officials, police and vigilant local residents averted what could have been an even greater tragedy. Their collaborative efforts brought the formidable flames under control, showcasing the resilience of community spirit in the face of adversity. The aftermath of the fire reveals the extensive damage inflicted upon the market. Several shops and business establishments now bear the scars of the inferno, testaments to the ferocity of the blaze. Miraculously, amidst the charred remains and devastation, there were no reported casualties or injuries, underscoring the success of the prompt response and evacuation measures implemented by the authorities.
যোৱাকালি ৰাতি যেটো ইয়াত মানে প্ৰায় 13খন দোকান পুৰি ভস্মীভূত হ'ল আৰু সেই ঘটনাটো এতিয়ালৈকে আমি একো ধৰিব পৰা নাই কি কাৰণত হ'ল সেই বিষয়টো অৱশ্যে আমি অৱগত নহয় তথাপিতো যি আমাৰ এই 13খন দোকানৰ ক্ষয়ক্ষতি হ'ল যিটো ক্ষতি হ'ল সেই ক্ষতিটো পুৰাবলৈ আমাৰ আৰু বহুত যুগ লাগিব।